Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to the Technology series by Amit Publishing House. Children, I am Vandana and we are doing Maths Class 5. This is a book, Joyful Mathematics. So let's start a new chapter today. This is chapter number 3 of the book. And the name of the chapter is Roman Numerals. So here you can see there is some pictures given and you have to match the fish pond to the correct picture. So यहाँ पे numbers, Hindu-Arabic numbers दिए गए हैं, यहाँ कुछ Roman numerals दिए गए हैं. We have to match these. So यहाँ पे 10 plus 1 11 लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ कहाँ है 11? Yes. Next यहाँ पे 10 plus 9 19. कहाँ पे 19? Here it is. Similarly, match the 2. Rest 2 you have to match on your own. Hindu-Arabic numbers. The numerals from 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called Hindu-Arabic. इन्हें Hindu-Arabic कहते हैं. And in earlier days, these numbers were used first by Hindus. Hindus पहले से use करते थे and later by Arabians. Arabians भी इसे use करने लगे. Now we use these numbers for mathematical calculations. Mathematics जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो calculation के लिए हम इन numbers को ही use करते हैं. Now, what are Roman numerals? These numerals are used everywhere in the world. वर्ल्ड में हर जगह यूज किए जा रहे हैं. These numerals are formed by 7 symbols. 7 symbols है जिनकी मदद से इन numbers को form किया जाता है. जैसे I, V, X, L, C, D, M. The Roman system does not use place value. इसमें place value use नहीं होता है. When two Roman symbols are placed side by side. So now we know the Roman symbols and the corresponding Hindu-Arabic symbols. तो हमें रोमन सिंबल्स भी पता चल गए और हिंदू अरेबिक सिंबल्स भी पता चल गए. लेट्स रीड. 1 is written as I, 5 as V, 10 as X, 50 as L and 100 as C, 500 D and 1000 M. Now rules for writing Roman numerals. क्या क्या rules हमें follow करने होते हैं? We follow some basic rules for writing Roman numerals and these are. First is rule number 1, that is I, X and C and M can be repeated 3 times. ये जो numbers यहाँ पे लिखे हैं इन्हें हम 3 times repeat कर सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा repeat नहीं कर सकते. Symbols like V, L, D can be used only once. V, L और D को सिर्फ एक बार use किया जा सकता है. For example, I को 3 times use किया तो 3 बन गया और X को 3 times use किया तो 30 बन गया. C को 3 टाइम यूज किया तो 300 और M को 3 टाइम यूज किया तो 3000. Now let's read rule number 2. When the smaller symbol is placed to the right of the bigger number. जब किसी बड़े नंबर के राइट साइड में कोई छोटा नंबर हम लिखते हैं, we add that. Means ये 10 था, 10 के बाद हमने 1 लिख दिया तो ये बन गया 11. ऐसे C था, C के बाद X बन गया तो ये हो गया 110. Similarly, 10 plus 2 is 12 and M plus C is 1000 plus 100 which is 1100. Now, rule number 3. When the smaller symbol is placed on the left of the bigger. अब इस छोटे नंबर को हम बड़े के लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं तो क्या होता है, हम उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. For example, 10 के पहले 1 लिखा है, इसका मतलब हमने 10 में से 1 को माइनस कर दिया जो बन गया 9. अब सिमिलरली C में से हमने 10 को क्या कर दिया, सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो ये बन गया 90. M में से C को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो ये बन गया 900 एंड D में से C को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो बन गया 400. Now rule number 4. Symbol I can be placed or subtracted from the next two symbols. I को जो हम प्लेस कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं 2 नंबर से, that is V and X only. So V में हमने 1 को माइनस किया तो बन गया 4 और V में 1 को प्लस किया तो बन गया 6. सिमिलरली X में 1 को माइनस किया तो बन गया 9 और 1 को प्लस किया तो बन गया 11. Now rule number 5. Symbols X can be added or subtracted from the next two symbols L and C only. X को हम सिर्फ L और C से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. So L में से हमने X को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो बन गया 40. XL means 40. So L में से X को हमने X में से L ऐड किया तो अब बन गया 60। अब C में से x को हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो बन गया 90। अब C में x को ऐड किया तो बन गया 102। Now rule number 6. Symbol C can be added or subtracted from the next two symbols D and M. C को सिर्फ हम D और M से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. So 500 minus 100 is 400 and 500 plus 100 is 600. Similarly, 1000 minus 100 is 900 and 1000 plus 100 is 1100. So let's quickly do this exercise 3.1. Write the following in Roman numerals. So 40 है तो 50 का साइन है L. अब उसमें से हम 10 को प्लस माइनस कर देते हैं तो बन जाता है XL. Similarly, let's do this another one. So let's do this K part. We need 700. So अभी जो है 700 के लिए हम करेंगे D C C X L I X. So this is 749. Next, let's do this 92. So 90 is written as XC and we have to add 2. So it is XC double I. So these are a few. You have to similarly you have to find out the rest Roman notations. Now write the following in Hindu-Arabic notation. So here it is 20 and 7, 27. Next, so children, as you know, L is 50. Now, when we add x, it will be 60 and 60 plus 2 will be 62. So children, I hope this is clear to you. Now L means 50 plus 2x means 20 plus B means 5. So it will be 75. So children, I hope this is clear to you. So similarly, you have to find the rest of the numbers on your own. Now let's do question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. So LX means L is 50 and X means 60. तो ये है आपका 60 और ये XL means L में से X minus कर दिया आपने तो ये हो गया 40. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Similarly, here this is 20 and 30. क्या बन गया? 50. So this is 50. अब L का मतलब भी होता है 50. तो ये हो गया equal to. Similarly, children, you have to find the answer of the rest of the questions. Now, fill in the blanks with the correct Roman numerals. यहाँ पे Roman numerals दिए गए हैं. What we have to do? We have to solve it and find the answer. So XL means L minus X is 40 plus 3. So it's 43. Now अब 43 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे Roman numerals में? So it will be XL and 3 times I. Similarly, let's do this one. It's 3 multiply 7. So it will be 21. So 20 हम लिखते हैं ऐसे and 1. So this is the answer. Here it is L means 50 plus 8. So it's 58. So 58 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 50 and 8. So children, I hope that this question is also clear to you. Now let's do this fifth question. Solve the following and write your answer in Roman numerals. So here, let's do this one. 6 9s is 54. So 50 and 4. Similarly, let's do this one. X and B is 10 and 5, which is 15 multiply 3, which is 75. Now, how we write 45? 40 is written like this and 5. So similarly, children, you have to do the rest of the questions that are given here. You have to solve it and write them in the Roman numerals. Now, let's do this question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers in Roman numerals. यहाँ पे आपको we have to find the answer. XL is 43. अब 43 में से हम क्या चीज subtract करेंगे कि we will get XL. So we will subtract 3 from it. Now L means 50 plus 2. 50 multiply 2. तो 50 को जब हम 2 से multiply करते हैं we get 100. And 100 is written as, so here this is C. Similarly, let's do this one. C में हमने क्या divide किया कि we get L. So we will divide here 100 by 2. Then only we can get L. So you have to complete the rest questions that have been given here as your homework. I hope this is clear. Now children, let's learn writing larger Roman numerals. So larger Roman numerals हम कैसे लिखते हैं? To write the larger Roman numerals, convert one digit at a time. तो इसमें क्या करना है? हमें एक digit को एक time में convert करना है. Each digit is converted the same और हर digit को उसी तरीके से convert किया जाता है. Except that the symbols are different. So here for one digit, if we are talking about one digit, so I we write for 1 and V for 5. Now tens digit के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? 10 for one digit and L for 50. Similarly 100 digit के लिए हम करते हैं C for 100 and D for 500. 1000 digit के लिए M for 1000. Now using the above table, convert the numerals. Converting the numerals is easy. अब इस table को अगर हम use करते हैं, then we can easily convert the numerals. For example, here hundreds, tens, and thousands and ones are given. So here 1 to 9 counting is given. Similarly, 10 to 90, 100 to 900, and 1000 to 3000. So these are a few of the countings that we should learn. Now, if you want to write a number in Roman numerals, अगर आप चाहते हो कि किसी number को आप Roman numerals में लिखो, simply split into thousands. उसे thousands में split करो, hundreds में split करो, या फिर tens में, या फिर ones में. Then work from left to right and add the Roman numerals. आप left से right तक जाओ और Roman numerals को लिखिए. For example, let's see example number 1. Write Roman numerals for 3652. 3652 के लिए Roman numerals कैसे लिखेंगे? Split the numbers into thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. अब इस number को हम अलग-अलग parts में divide कर देते हैं. So 3600 50 tens and 2 ones. तो अब जब हम इन सारे numbers को divide करते हैं, we get 3000 को हम triple M लिखते हैं, that we have written. 600 को DC लिखेंगे and 50 means L or 2 means this. So this is the Roman numeral that we get for this number. Similarly, to write the number from Roman numerals, simply write the numeral value of each letter. हमें numbers को लिखने के लिए, Roman numerals को लिखने के लिए हमें क्या करना होता है? Numeral value को, हर एक letter की numeral value को लिखना होता है. From left to right, left से right की तरफ, and add the values together. Now write Hindu-Arabic numeral for this. ये number दिए गए हैं, इनके लिए हमें Hindu-Arabic numeral लिखना है. So CM plus L triple X plus 2. So CM means 1000 minus 100 which is 900. अब इसमें जो है L means 50 और triple X means 30 which is 80 plus 2. 2 means 1 plus 1 which is 2. अब इन तीनों को हम जब ऐड करेंगे we will get the number 982. Now let's do this exercise number 3.2. Here number is given. Let's see what we have to write. M means 1000 and CMXLI. So here the number that we get is 1000 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 50 plus this is 1. So children, when we calculate this number, M means 1000, CM means 1000 minus 100 which is 900. Again XL means 40 and I means 1. So when we add this 1000, 900, 40 and 1, we get 1941. So this is the answer. Now similarly, let's do another question here. Let's do this F part. Again here 2 times M is written means 2000. 2 times M means 2000. Now C and D. So children, here CD is written. So which means D means 500 minus C which is 400. Now X is equal to 10. So when we add this and this number, which means 2000 plus 400 plus 10, we get this number 2410. So this is your answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do one more question here. Let's do this E part. So here C is 100 XC which means 100 minus 10. Now which is 90. Now I 10 which means 10 minus 1 which is 9. So when we add 100 plus 90 plus 9, what we get? 199. So here children, this is your answer, 199. So similarly, you have to do the rest of the questions that are given here. Now write the Roman numerals for the following. आपको Roman numerals लिखने हैं इनके लिए. So here it is 2000. So which means 2 times M we have to write. Then it's 12. So we have written 12 here. So this is the Roman numeral. Similarly, let's do this F part. It's also 2000 which is 2 times M. Then 6. So this is your answer. Similarly, let's do this one. E part. 1000 means 1 M. Now 600. So 600 times you have to write. So here you can write DC. Now for 8 we write this. So this is our answer. I hope this is clear. Here D means 500 plus C, that is 100. So it's 600 and then 8. So like this you have to complete the rest of the questions. Now let's move on to question number 3. Cross out the wrongly written Roman numerals. So some Roman numerals are written in a wrong way. So 3 times V will not come. So it is wrong. Now again this one is correct because it's 11. Now this is also wrong. Similarly, find out the rest of the Roman numerals that are wrong. So children, with this we have completed the chapter. I hope that you have understood it. And I'll be meeting you soon with a new video. Till then, stay dated.